Ever wonder your Shopify store can act like a chatbot? Acowebs' Shopify CartEasy app gives you the best user experience by reducing search time and helps to increase sale conversion rate. CartEasy app gives you the access to customer queries by saving the store conversations done by customers. Let's check out how this works.
Let's navigate to the chat history section of the CartEasy app. All the previous completed chats are listed here. Now let's do a test to see how it works. Open the chatbot and enter a query for anything inside the store. Here, the chatbot has listed all the items added inside the cart. Now let's check the chat history list to see if the recent chat is being updated.
And that's it. Thanks for watching.